So here I am. I'm on a combine harvester with Paul, the farmer. We'll leave it at that, Paul.
Yes.
And we're in a Claas Lexion combine harvester. The header, which is the bit at the front for the ignoramuses, is what width is that? 40 feet. What's that in meters? 12 point something meters. And it's designed on Dassault Systèmes technology, so that's incredible. Not why I'm here, but it's incredible to be here. Sorry for the shaky video. It's actually incredibly smooth and unbelievable, but yeah, have a look at this video. It's quite something. Say bye, Paul.
Cheers now.
Bye. Like it's eating the corn here, but actually what it's doing currently, the combine's telling us it's doing 4.72 tons per hectare, and tells me that due to the unseasonably dry spring we had, 4.7, it should be doing, 7 or 8 tons per hectare, so it'll be a fairly low yield or average yield. Very low yield. So this combine will be taking what kind of total tonnage off this field then, Paul?
12 hectares, 12 times 5, say.
Alright, okay, so about 60 tons.
Yeah.
Okay, but yeah, so you see the stuff that Clarkson talks about in terms of the tough life for farmers in trying to get as much as you can out of each field. So yeah, there you have it, but the combine's doing all the technology and telling us how much we're getting off the field, which is amazing. And I'll probably fail, but what Paul does is he does a land, which is one of these tracks, I guess you want to call it, and then because the combine will only unload on one side, he wants to create a square that he goes around, and also means he doesn't do such tight turns, and that means he's got to take a guess because his GPS isn't working, so he's got to do it the hard way and make a guess, and he's got it that close. Look, he's within 2 feet either side. What a superstar. 40 years of practice, that's what it does for you. But normally the GPS would do it for him automatically. It just does the space planning, works out the tracks, and off it goes. And Paul sits and has a cup of coffee and chat to his passengers, but not today, he's got to work.
Concentrate today.
Concentrate today.